Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching months of the year in Xhosa. Eyomqungu. Eyomqungu means January. Eyomdumba. Eyomdumba means February. Eyokwindla. Eyokwindla means March. Uchazimpuzi. Uchazimpuzi means April. Ucanzibe. Ucanzibe means May. Isilimela. Isilimela means June. Eyekhala. Eyekhala means July. Eyethupha. Eyethupha means August. Eyomsintsi. Eyomsintsi means September. Eyedwarha. Eyedwarha means October. Eyenkanga. Eyenkanga means November. Eyomnga. Eyomnga means December. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.